My name is Kristen Farrell, and I host a TV show based here in Lake Tahoe. It's a live TV show, and we cover all things Lake Tahoe. So in covering those things, we need to be familiar with them. And it gives me the opportunity to go be outside and enjoy the snow in the winter, and the kayaking and the paddleboarding and the hiking and the biking in the summertime. So it encompasses everything that I love to do outdoors. I am outside all the time. I also have 2 young kids who I have with me all the time who love to be outside too, so I'm chasing them. I was always the one who had to be the most tan. To me, it showed that I had been outside. It was the healthy glow. That's what I perceived it to be. As I got older, into my mid-30s, I started to realize that kind of treatment to my skin started to catch up with me. I started to notice sunspots, a lot more wrinkles, and it definitely showed up more when I was on camera. And so I was having to put on more and more makeup in my daily life and to go do my job, to be on camera. So that's what brought me here, to fix some of that sun damage and to restore a more youthful appearance to my face. I think we're all our own worst critics. We've all looked in the mirror very closely at ourselves, and I surely had many of those mornings where I got up and looked in the mirror, and it was just one day where I said, I cannot look at splotched skin starting to age prematurely because of the sun damage and the damage I had done to it for one more day. And that's what made me pick up the phone and call Dr. Gelber, and we reviewed the options and decided that the Sciton laser resurfacing treatment would be the best, and it absolutely has been fantastic.
Halo has been the best of both worlds. It's the very first hybrid fractional laser, and it allows me to deliver to my patients the results of an ablative procedure with the downtime of a non-ablative procedure. And that is the best of both worlds. So you can decide how much ablation, and you can decide how much coagulation you're going to use. Regardless, you will see a significant improvement in your patient's sun damage. You'll see an improvement in tone and texture. And particularly when you use more ablation, you can actually improve wrinkles. These are all things our patients want, and when you can deliver them with a simple, easy treatment, they'll love it.
It was about day 6 where I was able to look at my skin and go, wow, that is night and day. Literally daily, I get to hear people say, your skin is just beautiful. Right after I did go back to work and I hosted my first show post-treatment, I got compliments. People wrote into the show saying your skin looks amazing. Other hosts of different shows that are taped throughout the day at the TV station came in and said, wow, what did you do? Your skin looks incredible. And I was proud to say, I don't have much makeup on at all. This is exciting. I'm turning 40 this year, and I look forward to maintaining a very active lifestyle that includes being outdoors a lot. And that's why I'm back 1 year later after my first Sciton laser resurfacing treatment. I'm looking forward to seeing what the latest is in technology now and maintaining healthy skin throughout the rest of my life. It feels really, really good to know that I did the right thing for my face and for my job and for my future. Feels good to look in the mirror and see that.
The BVL treatment is a great anti-aging solution.
It's wonderful to have people remark that I do not look my age. BBL has changed my life completely. I don't know what I would do without it.
Over time, most people develop some skin condition associated with aging, an active lifestyle, or simply too much time in the sun. Age spots, freckles, redness, and flushing are all natural outcomes that many people would like to reverse in order to restore a younger, fresher look.
I'm 48 years old, and I had been one of those of my generation who poured baby oil on myself and laid in the sun for hours and hours. So I had quite a bit of sun damage, age spots, wrinkling.
I don't know if you could see this very much, but it's the sides and the front of my neck that were covered, literally covered with dark brown spots, all kind of almost blending into my skin. It looked old and crepey and really very unflattering.
For people like Janet and Anne, BBL, short for broadband light, is an innovative approach to the treatment of skin conditions associated with aging and sun damage. The BBL system from Sciton allows your physician to precisely treat age and sunspots, small facial veins, acne, flushing, blushing, rosacea, and several other types of skin blemishes. Using appropriate wavelengths and adapters, your physician can tailor your treatment to match your skin's condition and desired results. And since wavelengths and adapters can be changed on the fly, your physician can actually treat more than one condition in a single treatment session.
I had actually my whole face done, and I have done my neck and chest. Huge amount of sun damage on my chest. And it really evened it out and made it a lot more smooth.
Much more skin clarity, a total smoothing of my skin. I was amazed. And he would be working hard and he'd say, well, this is going to smooth your skin too. And I think, yeah, right. I couldn't believe it when I saw it. It really did.
The light energy delivered by the BBL system gently heats the upper layers of your skin. The heat absorbed stimulates your skin cells to generate new collagen. In addition, the photothermal energy targets and eliminates many of the fine vessels that cause redness and the unwanted melanin responsible for pigmented lesions. Together, these help restore your skin's natural beauty, blending its natural colors and making it smoother, vibrant, and younger looking. The BBL procedure is gentle, non-invasive, safe, and reasonably comfortable.
I don't find it painful. A little bit like having a rubber band snapped on you, but no, it's not painful. It might be a slight bit of discomfort, and more that it's kind of a surprising thing when the flash of light than it is painful or uncomfortable.
BBL is a minimal downtime procedure. In most cases, you'll be able to apply makeup, return to work, and resume most normal activities right away.
It's not something that it makes it so unsightly that you can't go out. I go out in public the next day.
The BBL system can be used on any area of the body. The most common areas are those most exposed to the damaging effects of sunlight, such as the face, neck, back of the hands, chest, and shoulders. Generally, 2 to 5 treatments at 3 to 4 week intervals will produce the desired results. Your healthcare provider will help you determine the right number of treatments and the optimal interval between treatments.
The reaction is that, gosh, your skin looks good. What are you doing? Or what product are you using? What have you had done? And it's one of these things, it's a non-invasive way to help your skin look the best it can. So there's no scarring, there's no real downtime. There's no reason that you shouldn't do it if you want your skin to look as good as it can.
In addition to skin conditions associated with aging and sun damage, your healthcare provider's BBL system can also help reduce unwanted hair. It's fast, it's easy, and it's virtually pain-free. BBL, a light like no other. A single system for the widest range of skin conditions. Fast, effective, with little or no discomfort and no downtime. Giving your healthcare provider the power to provide you with a smoother, more vibrant, and more youthful appearance. That's BBL from Sciton. younger looking, healthier feeling skin. Skin that is smoother and more vibrant. It's something we all hope for as we age. Fortunately, there are options that help you get what you're hoping for. Options that can deliver dramatic improvement in wrinkles, scars, and pigment. Options for improved skin tone and texture. Treatments performed by your physician, including microlaser peel, deep resurfacing, pro-fractional therapy, and combination treatments, all made possible by Sciton laser technology.
Well, when I was younger and even into early adulthood, I had acne, and I almost think it was probably worse in my early 20s. And so there was scarring that, made me unhappy, and that was really what I wanted to try and fix and make my skin smoother overall.
It was the spots that troubled me more than anything. And that's how I started.
I looked in the mirror and saw someone 10 years older and knew that that's not the person I really was inside.
I think when people are talking to you or looking at you, they're looking at your eyes, they're looking at your mouth. And for me, I wanted those to be as good as they could be for my age.
Microlaser peel is an intraepidermal laser peel that precisely ablates or removes the outermost layers of the skin. The procedure is individually tailored to each patient and the condition being treated. Sometimes referred to as the weekend peel because of the minimal downtime you can expect, Sciton's microlaser peel will deliver noticeable improvement in a matter of days. Microlaser peel is the perfect solution for anyone looking for more than what can be done with microdermabrasion or a light chemical peel, but who has little time for a prolonged healing process. Another resurfacing solution that delivers dramatic results with little to no downtime is known as pro-fractional therapy, also from Sciton. It is a quick and comfortable fractional laser procedure that can improve the overall appearance of your skin by reducing the appearance of fine lines, while simultaneously improving skin tone and texture. The beauty of the Sciton laser is that your physician has ultimate control and can optimize settings for your individual needs. During a pro-fractional session, thousands of microscopic channels are created in the skin. These channels are left surrounded by untreated skin, leaving the surrounding skin intact, speeds healing and makes the treatment and recovery more comfortable. While the deep channels of treated tissue heal, collagen in the skin is strengthened and remodeled. The body's natural healing process, combined with collagen remodeling, means that superficial imperfections are almost immediately corrected, while the skin's texture and tone will continue to improve weeks and months after treatment. Typically done in a series of 1 to 4 treatment sessions, spaced 3 to 6 weeks apart, healing takes only a few days. Most skin areas can be treated, but the most popular areas are the face, neck, chest, and hands.
The healing was so simple, and that's what I really liked about the process.
You wake up one morning, I swear, and it looks better. Like all of a sudden, it has changed overnight. It's smoother. It was like I could see it working.
Some of my friends who hadn't seen me for a while, it just overall comes like, oh, you look great. You look really well rested. And that's how I felt. I did feel really well rested. And, your skin looks great. What are you doing? And questions like that.
For some people, a combination treatment may be the ideal solution. Again, your physician knows best and can tailor a treatment plan to meet your specific needs and cosmetic goals. With Sciton's technology, your physician has the option to combine a microlaser peel with pro-fractional, using microlaser peel to remove superficial skin lesions and other irregularities, and then pro-fractional therapy for deep collagen remodeling. When combination treatments are recommended and performed, you'll not only get better results, but you'll get those results with fewer treatments.
If you can do both of them at one time, I think that's a great way to go.
Do it all at once. It's a great thing. It's a great thing.
Your physician may also recommend deep resurfacing, another solution available from Sciton. The same Sciton system used for microlaser peel treatments can be tuned for deeper resurfacing to improve the skin's appearance, treat mild to deep wrinkles, and reduce scars. The laser used, called Contour TRL, which stands for Tunable Resurfacing Laser, gives your physician the most complete control to optimize treatment for a patient's skin type, desired outcome, and downtime expectations. It's an extremely versatile system and just another tool your physician has to help you achieve the results you seek.
Can you see I'm beaming? I mean, that it is. There's a confidence in my family saw when I walked in the door.
I would do it again. I'd do it in a heartbeat. I think the laser procedure, it's like a miracle.
Laser resurfacing options: micro laser peel, profractional therapy, deep resurfacing, and combination treatments. Options for smoother, healthier, and more vibrant skin. Options that allow you to look your best. Options from your physician and from Sciton. One of the facts of life is that over time, your skin loses its elasticity. As a result, you can look older than you feel, older than you want to look.
In my mid-40s, and I didn't mind being of that age, but I really didn't want to look it. Wanted to look on the outside like I feel on the inside, which is much younger.
I just wanted to look a little better. I was taking care of my body, eating right, and I was bothered by my jawline just not being really firm, and I had one of my eyelids felt like it was drooping more than the other, and I was just getting a lot of and sagginess in my drooping more than the other. I wanted to see what was available, and I didn't want to do anything invasive. I knew that.
At my age now, I feel that the neckline, the jawline is sagging, you know. It's not as firm, it's not as taut. And even though I use a lot of moisturizers and anti-wrinkle and firming creams. Also, this area around the eye, the puffiness, the sagginess, and the cheek area. Those have been my areas of concern.
Skin Tight from Sciton is an innovative technology that utilizes infrared energy to deeply heat dermal collagen. While results vary from patient to patient, the procedure is recommended for those who desire moderate, noticeable skin improvement without surgery. Patients often see immediate firming results right after treatment, but the full effect of improvement is achieved several months after treatment as collagen continues to rebuild.
It's a building block effect, and I think it's amazing. I'm just so impressed with it. I'm very pleased. I'm very happy that I did this.
I remember the first procedure when I was driving home, I felt like my skin kind of tightening a little bit, not in a bad way, but in a good way, and I felt that there was something happening.
The Skin Tight treatment is based on the principle of selective thermolysis. Skin Tight's pulse light technology deeply heats the dermal layers of your skin, while at the same time cools and protects the entire treatment surface. Deeply heating collagen promotes partial denaturation and contraction of collagen. The heat initiates the body's natural healing process, creating a renewed collagen foundation and increased skin firmness.
The reaction is that, gosh, your skin looks good. What are you doing? And it's one of these things, it's a non-invasive way to help your skin look the best it can. So there's no scarring, there's no real downtime. There's no reason that you shouldn't do it if you want your skin to look as good as it can.
The Skin Tight treatment is delivered in a sequence of rapid, gentle pulses, enabling shortened treatment sessions. There is no need for anesthesia. This non-invasive skin firming treatment has no downtime, and you can apply makeup and sunscreen immediately after treatment.
There's no recovery time with this procedure. There's no redness, there's no swelling, there's no bruising, there's nothing to show that you've had anything done to your face except the result.
Visible firming can include softening in the appearance of the skin fold that runs from each side of the nose to the corners of the mouth, reduction or firming of the jowls, accentuating or defining of the jawline, and firmness of the stomach.
Right after the skin treatment on my neck, I said something like, "How long is it going to take, for me to see a difference?" He said, "It's pretty instant." And I said, "What do you mean instant?" And I walked up to the mirror and just almost dropped over.
Skin-tight treatments are safe for all skin colors and can be performed on any area of the body where an improvement in skin firmness is desired. Popular areas include the face, neck, abdomen, hands, and arms. A series of treatments spaced approximately a month apart are typical for most patients. Your physician will personalize a treatment plan based on the level of improvement you desire.
I think that my skin looks better than it did 20 years ago. I would say absolutely 100% do it. I mean, it certainly is not going to have any adverse effect. I can almost guarantee you that you will love the result. I mean, I've had referred friends to have it done, my mother, and everybody's been extremely pleased.
I couldn't believe that it was going to result in looking, I think, as good as it does. So I was really amazed.
Skin-tight procedures is perfect for anyone looking for a change, to look younger but not wanting to go a drastic, expensive route. And they'd be happy with the results and with the procedure itself.
To say the word "I am impressed" is an understatement. I never thought at my age, I'm 62, and I just have always depended on face creams. It's really put me to a new level, and I'm just thrilled.
Skin Tight, the ideal choice to improve skin firmness quickly and comfortably without surgery. The solution for firmer, more youthful looking skin. That's Skin Tight from Sciton.